Welcome to a Pro Printers tutorial on how to set up a bleed using Adobe Photoshop CS6. This video will demonstrate how to set up your document to contain a bleed, and will also show how to create a PDF file containing crop marks essential for printing a document with a bleed. I have Photoshop CS6 currently launched, so we will go up to File, down to New or Control N, where you should see this window pop up, which allows us to set the width and height of our canvas, input our resolution, and select a color mode to begin designing in. For demonstration purposes, we will be designing a document that is 8.5 by 11 inches. To start off, we will set our canvas size 1/4 inch smaller, which will indicate where our safe zone for designing will be. Make sure your unit measurements are set to inches. Let's input 8.25 by 10.75 into the width and height fields. For our resolution, we will enter in 300 for our pixels per inch and select a CMYK color mode for our design. Click OK. You should now see your blank document, which displays the safe zone area, for which no text or graphics will fall outside this area unless it is meant to bleed off the page. By dragging in some guidelines from our rulers, we can show where our safe zone will be. Now go up to Image, down to Canvas Size or Alt-Control-C, and set the new width and height to be your finished document size. In this case, ours will be 8.5 by 11, with our canvas extension color set to white. Click OK. You can see that the canvas is now set to 8.5/11, while our guidelines have stayed in place showing us our safe zone. We will repeat the same procedure again, this time to indicate our bleed area. After dragging in the new guidelines to the edge of our canvas, go back up to Image, down to Canvas Size, and make the document size 1/4 inch bigger, which is the standard 1/8 of an inch on all four sides. Input 8.75 by 11.25 and set the canvas extension color to white. Click OK. You are now ready to begin designing. I already have a design prepared which contains some graphic elements that extend into our bleed area, which will be trimmed away after your document has been printed. Note that our text and logo is contained within our safe zone area. This way, they are not too close to the edge of our final document size and will not be in danger of being trimmed off. Once your design is complete, we will have to manually illustrate our crop marks, since Adobe Photoshop does not have a setting to automatically add crop marks when creating a PDF file. A quick and simple way to illustrate our crop marks is to zoom in on one corner where our bleed edge is, select the rectangle marquee tool, and create a box right up to the guidelines. Go up to Edit, down to Fill, and indicate the stroke color. The color will depend on your background design for visibility. Black will work for now. Click OK. To remove the marquee, go up to Select, down to Deselect or Control D. Repeat this procedure for the remaining 3 corners. Once your design is complete, it is important to flatten your design to help reduce the size of your file. Before doing so, make sure to save your file first. Once saved, go up to Layer, down to Flatten Image. Do not save over this file again or you will lose all editing capabilities. I suggest saving your design with a new name to indicate that it is a flattened Photoshop file. You are now ready to save your design as a PDF. Go to File, down to Save As. Choose the location where your file will be saved, input a file name, and select the Photoshop PDF option from the Format drop-down menu. Click Save, and a new window will appear which allows us to change and modify the PDF settings. Make sure the Adobe PDF preset is set to High Quality Print, and the Preserve Photoshop Editing Capabilities box is unchecked. This will help reduce your file size as well. Click Save PDF. There you have it, an Adobe Photoshop CS6 document containing proper bleeds with crop marks for trimming. You are now ready to send your file off for printing. Thank you for watching. Have an awesome day.